creating an insecticide using dishwashing liquid, vinegar, and water is an effective, eco-friendly method to control garden pests without resorting to harsh chemicals. This mixture is commonly used to combat soft-bodied insects like aphids, spider mites, whiteflies, and mealybugs. The dishwashing liquid in this solution acts as a surfactant, helping the solution to stick to the insects' bodies and making it easier to wash them away, while vinegar, with its acidic nature, disrupts the pest's exoskeletons and acts as a deterrent. Water dilutes the other ingredients, ensuring the solution isn't too concentrated, which could harm the plants or beneficial insects. When used properly, this homemade insecticide can target pests on your plants while being relatively safe for your garden and the environment, offering a more sustainable alternative to store-bought chemical insecticides. To begin making your insecticide, you'll need a clean container, such as a spray bottle or a small watering can, depending on the volume of solution you want to create. A spray bottle is especially useful if you have a smaller garden or a few indoor plants, while a watering can might be better suited for larger areas. It's essential to ensure your container is free from any previous chemical residue that could affect the solution's effectiveness. For a standard batch, mix about 1 tablespoon of vinegar with 1 teaspoon of dishwashing liquid in 1 liter, roughly 1 quart, of water. This ratio works well for treating most common garden pests. If you are working with a larger area or a greater number of plants, you can scale the ingredients up accordingly, maintaining the same proportions. Be cautious not to overdo the dishwashing liquid. Too much soap can damage plants, especially if used too frequently. Once you have your container and ingredients, start by adding the water first. Room temperature water is ideal for mixing, as it helps the ingredients dissolve and blend more easily. Fill your container about 3/4 of the way with water, leaving room for the other ingredients. If you're using a spray bottle, this would typically be around 750 milliliters of water for a 1-liter bottle. Next, add the vinegar. Vinegar's acidity is one of the key elements in this solution, as it can help break down the protective coatings on soft-bodied pests like aphids, causing them to dehydrate and die. It also alters the pH of the plant surfaces, making it an inhospitable environment for some insects and fungi. Adding about 1 tablespoon of vinegar to your 1-liter batch is a good starting point. For tougher pests or severe infestations, you can increase the vinegar slightly, but it's important not to overdo it. Too much vinegar can cause damage to plant leaves, leading to burns or yellowing, so it's always best to test the mixture on a small area first to ensure the plants tolerate it. The next ingredient to add is the dishwashing liquid. This serves as a surfactant, which reduces the surface tension of the liquid, allowing it to spread more evenly on the plant surfaces and insect bodies. The soap helps the vinegar and water cling to the insects, making it more likely they'll be affected by the solution. The dish soap also plays a role in suffocating the insects by blocking the pores on their bodies, preventing them from breathing. For this recipe, 1 teaspoon of mild, biodegradable dishwashing liquid is generally sufficient. Make sure to choose a dish soap that is free of fragrances, dyes, and other harsh chemicals, as these could harm the plants or beneficial insects in your garden. Mix the soap gently into the water and vinegar, being careful not to create too many bubbles. Once the soap is dissolved, the solution is ready for use. Before applying the insecticide to your plants, it's important to test it on a small, inconspicuous area of the plant to ensure it doesn't cause any adverse effects, especially if you are working with sensitive plants or new growth. Spray a light mist on a few leaves and wait 24 hours to observe how the plant reacts. If you notice any signs of leaf burn, wilting, or discoloration, dilute the solution further with more water before using it on the rest of the plant. Once you've confirmed that the mixture is safe, you can proceed to spray it on the infested plants. Focus on the areas where pests are most active, such as the undersides of leaves, the stems, and any areas where pests are hiding. The soap will help the solution stick to these surfaces, and the vinegar will work to repel or kill the insects. Be thorough, ensuring you cover the pests directly, but also avoid oversaturating the plant, as too much liquid could damage the leaves. When applying the insecticide, it's best to do so in the early morning or late afternoon when temperatures are cooler. This helps to prevent the solution from evaporating too quickly and reduces the chances of sunburn on your plants, as the vinegar can make the leaves more sensitive to direct sunlight. Additionally, applying the mixture when the insects are more active, usually during warmer parts of the day, will increase the likelihood of success. You may need to repeat the treatment every few days, especially if you have a significant pest problem. For ongoing pest control, weekly applications may be necessary to keep the infestation at bay. However, it's important to note that this homemade insecticide works best on soft-bodied pests and might not be as effective on hard-shelled insects like beetles or those that are well-hidden. In addition to its role as an insecticide, the soap and vinegar solution can also be useful for cleaning the plant's leaves. Over time, dust, dirt, and pests can build up on the leaves, blocking sunlight and affecting the plant's ability to photosynthesize. Spraying this mixture on the leaves can help clean them and ensure they receive enough light to thrive. However, be cautious not to overapply the solution, as excessive vinegar can sometimes cause damage, particularly to sensitive plants. Always observe the effects after spraying to ensure the solution isn't too harsh. Finally, while dishwashing liquid, vinegar, and water can be a helpful, low-cost, and eco-friendly insecticide solution, it is not a one-size-fits-all solution. For large-scale infestations or more stubborn pests, you may need to turn to other methods or commercial insecticides. However, this mixture is a great starting point for light pest control, especially for gardeners who are looking to reduce their use of synthetic chemicals and take a more natural approach to plant care. With regular use, this homemade insecticide can help protect your plants from pests, keep your garden thriving, and maintain an eco-friendly environment.